Kapampangan word for today. MANYUNU. Okay, MANYUNU. Root word is sunu. Actually, there's no exact translation in Filipino or Tagalog, no, with the word sunu or MANYUNU. MANYUNU is the action of tolerating something with sarcasm. For example, o pare na, may padalang ka. Ati Kapampangan Ken, maranop ko. Kukurap-kuwat siya, no? Maranop ka. Ba? Oo, ating ulam kinig. Wala na yan, kanino yung ulam yan? Ang kaya sana yun, ikabek-bek eh, may itong niyang gili. Ako niya muna eh. Pero sige, kanam muna eh. O sige ay, kanyaman. O, bisa kapag timplada ka pang juice eh. At impakyang rap, bisa ka diproske, prito kaya pa, baka niya mabitan. Salamat, adakal. Wah, sige, mangang ka. Mangan kapin. That is MANYUNU. You are tolerating something to happen and more, but with sarcasm. So, kunwari, may humingi, bibigyan mo, kahit ayaw mo magbigay, sige lang, o gusto mo ito, pabigay ko, ganun. That's the action of it, MANYUNU, no? I don't know, do you know any exact Tagalog word or Filipino word for sunu or MANYUNU? So, yun lang. I hope you like our Kapampangan word for today. If you like my content, please hit follow or subscribe. Ako po El Takashi. Dakala salamat po. God bless.